ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ದೇಶದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಡಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೋರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
As the world celebrates the International Day of Democracy, the government of Karnataka went the extra mile. On September 15, a remarkable sight was on display at the Vidhana Saudha in Bengaluru. Over 1 million people from across the country and abroad joined the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in reading the Preamble of the Indian Constitution. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah led the celebrations along with Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar and several other guests. Karnataka Social Welfare Minister H.C. Mahadevappa had said on Wednesday that nearly 2.28 crore of people from all walks of life within the country and abroad have registered to read the Constitution's preamble. As we witness injustice, inequality, and violence spreading across democratic countries, including India, where minorities, students, journalists, oppositions, and human rights activists are punished for raising their voices,
ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗದೆ. ವಿ ದಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ವಿ ದಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ನಾವು ಈ ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಧ್ಯೇಯೋದ್ದೇಶಗಳನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ, ಅದರಂತೆ ನಡೆದಾಗ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾನ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Let's read the preamble and remind ourselves of what our constitution truly stands for. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. You can also join us in reading the preamble by sending your video in the number given in the description.